What's up guys? Today I've got a brand new awesome gas blowback pistol to show you. This here is the gel ball version of the IREX Hi-Capa airsoft pistol by the company WeTech. There's 3 different color options for this 6-inch IREX pistol, but there's a total of up to I think 10 WeTech pistols altogether, all of them being imported by Tactical Edge Hobbies. This was sent to me for free by Tactical Edge Hobbies, and they've offered a discount code that you guys can use to save 10% on any of your purchases from their store. Just use the code BRAD, and it also helps support my channel. Now, I chose this model here because I thought the Tibetan script on it looked pretty cool, a little bit demonic, possibly even a little anime looking. Perhaps you could call it the weeb tech, I don't know. But something unique to the IREX model of pistols is that they offer select fire between semi-auto and full auto. And that's something even real steel 1911s don't do. In this video today, I'll give you an overview of the pistol. I'll take it outside and chrono it. I will show you some accuracy groupings, and then I'll end with some gameplay. Let's get on with the overview. Starting at the front of the blaster, we have got a metal outer barrel, but it has an odd thread size inside of it. It's got a female 11mm clockwise thread, but if you have a look around online, you'll be able to find an adapter to go to 14mm counterclockwise. Inside of there, your inner barrel ends pretty far back inside the outer. It's only 110mm long, whereas the outer has space for a 145mm long barrel. So there's 35mm of wasted space. Luckily from my testing, the gels don't hit that barrel on the way out, but I think you could get some more power out of this if you extended the barrel. That relatively short inner barrel has an inner diameter of 7.1mm, and inside the box you also get a 7.3mm plastic barrel in case you run into issues with the 7.1 being too tight for the types of gels you're using. That plastic one is the same length, but it has a 7.3mm internal diameter. The slide on here is 210mm long, and it has some embossed black stripes at the front as well as a window where you can see the WeTech logo engraved onto the outer barrel. You've also of course got the Tibetan script, which is embossed as well, and it differs on both sides, and I have no idea what it actually says, unfortunately. The least I know is that it's the Tibetan language. Up the top of the slide, you've got a green fiber optic front sight. You've got cutouts on the outer barrel. You've got an engraved 45 ACP marking, and the rear side is adjustable and has orange fiber optic sights. In the box, they also provide an RMR mounting plate to add a sight on top, but it's an odd one that only suits the Dr. brand micro dots. So if you want to add a Trigicon or some other brand, you'll have to buy those plates separately. On the bottom at the front, you've got a ridiculously long Picatinny rail, so you'll be able to fit any kind of torch or anything you want to add there quite easily. The frame itself is metal, just like the slide. And in fact, pretty much like everything on this entire blaster. So you've got a metal trigger, metal slide lock, metal safety, metal grip safety, metal hammer. If we come to the right hand side of the blaster though, what is normally an ambidextrous safety switch is actually your select fire lever. So if you flick it up, it's semi, and if you flick it down, it's full auto. Moving on from there, this pistol has a very nice and comfortable textured grip with a holographic logo saying WeTech, and below that you've got a metal flared magwell, which makes it really easy to insert your mags. The mags are heavy enough to drop free, and really easy to insert with that flared magwell. The mags take green gas, which you insert from the bottom upside down, and they hold about 15 to 17 shots total. If we remove the slide, we can see the spring already has a slight short stroke applied to it, and also has this cool little bullet acting as a buffer. But that's pretty much it for the overview. Let's lock and load for the chrono test. Okay, so first I'm just going to shoot on semi to get the chrono numbers, and then we'll do rate of fire after. 257, 276, 296, 232, 288, 232, 290, 295, 282, 235,
244, 253, 273, 274, 263, and 291.
So we got a high of 296, a low of 232, and an average of 267. We are currently in winter though, so those numbers are going to be a little bit lower than if it was summer. And also, I think if the barrel was a little bit longer, we'd be able to get a tiny bit more FPS out of this pistol. Now let's flick it into full auto and see the rate of fire. So rate of fire was 942 rounds per minute. If we divide by 60, we get 15.7 rounds per second. So in less than a second, you can fire every single gel in the mag. So let's move on now to the accuracy test. Today I'm going to be testing two different types of gel balls. Firstly, the Ultra Elites from Ozgel that I pretty much always use. They've always been the best gel in my opinion. But Tactical Edge also sent some of their own brand gels, so I want to do a comparison between the two. First up though, I'll do the Ultra Elites. We're shooting from 20 meters away at a 1 meter diameter target. So the Ultra Elites seem to group pretty well for a gas blowback gel blaster. I was half expecting the short barrel was going to cause some of them to clip the outer on the way out, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So now let's load up some Tactical Edge gels and do a comparison. The Tactical Edge gels were noticeably less accurate. I could even tell that at the time of shooting them, before I even got home and put it all up on the screen for you. So I definitely suggest sticking to Ultra Elites. Overall, I am a really big fan of this pistol. Having select fire in a 2011, even though it's not realistic to the real thing, is a huge bonus for in gel ball skirmishes. Because when you want to use semi, you can use semi. When you want to use full auto, flick it to full auto. If you want to pick one of these up or any of the other 10 WeTechs or anything else from Tactical Edge Hobbies for that matter, don't forget I've now got a 10% discount code you can use, which also helps support my channel. To end off the video today, I'm going to leave you with some gameplay. I am mostly going to use the full auto because I've never used a full auto gas pistol before, and I think it would be really fun to just spray people. Enjoy!
Clear. Again.
He must be hating you.
Got him. Almost out of gas. Need to go reload.
Having fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good one. I see him. Ah!
Got it. Did you get him?
Yeah. Thank you, Dad.
Oh, fucking hell.
You dead?
That sounds scary.
This green wall. There's one behind it. But he's moved.
Oh, I hit.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Oh, you got me first.
think you hit the camera. Hit.